Looking for the ideal dashcam for your vehicle? The best dashcam for Honda Accord drivers offers crystal clear video, reliable night vision, and seamless integration, ensuring peace of mind and protection every time you hit the road. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Fitcamx Dashcam Honda Accord. If you want a clean, factory-installed appearance without sacrificing performance, the Fitcamx Dashcam for 2023 to 2025 Honda Accord models is a standout option. Unlike traditional dashcams that clutter the windshield with wires and suction cups, this model integrates seamlessly behind the rearview mirror and matches the OEM style of the car's interior. There's no rattling or messy wiring, and once installed, it's almost invisible. Compatible with Accord and Accord hybrid models including LX, EX, Sport L, EXL, and Touring, it's built to fit perfectly. The dashcam records in ultra-high-definition 4K at 2160p 30 fps, powered by a premium CMOS sensor and a large f.16 lens, capturing clear, detailed footage. With HDR technology, it adjusts exposure automatically to provide crisp night vision and clear images in low light conditions. The built-in Wi-Fi allows easy access through the Fitcamx app, enabling users to view live footage, download important clips, and manage settings on the go. It also works seamlessly with PC via the memory card. The included 64GB card supports loop recording, automatically overriding the oldest footage when storage is full, while the built-in G sensor locks files during sudden impacts. However, note that this model doesn't support parking mode unless an extra wiring harness is installed. Number 2. Fitcamx 4K Dashcam Honda Accord. Designed specifically for 2018 to 2022 Honda Accord models, the Fitcamx 4K Dashcam offers a sleek OEM-style integration that fits seamlessly into your vehicle. Compatible with trims like Accord LX, Hybrid EX, Hybrid Sport, and Sport 1.5T, this dashcam installs easily and looks like it came from the factory. It blends discreetly behind the rearview mirror and doesn't obstruct your view, rattle, or distract. What truly sets it apart is the video clarity, capturing 2160p 30 fps resolution with a wide f1.6 aperture lens and Novatech chip. It delivers high-fidelity footage in vibrant detail. With CMOS sensor and WDR technology, it adapts to varying lighting conditions and provides excellent night vision, making it ideal for both day and night driving. The dashcam features built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to connect to the Fitcamx app to preview, download, and manage videos easily. It automatically starts recording when the engine starts, so there's no need to connect Wi-Fi each time. Loop recording ensures continuous capture, replacing old files as needed, while the G sensor locks videos during sudden impacts to prevent important footage from being deleted. Although this version does not support parking mode out of the box, users can reach out to Fitcamx for an upgrade if needed. Built with high-quality ABS plus PC materials, the Fitcamx 4K dashcam handles temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, making it dependable across seasons and regions. Whether you're navigating Texas heat or icy Alaskan roads, the performance remains consistent. One downside is that an SD card isn't included with refurbished models, so buyers may need to purchase one separately. Nonetheless, with lifetime customer support and exceptional video performance, this dashcam is a fantastic choice for Honda Accord owners who prioritize video quality, stealthy design, and user-friendly operation.
Number 3. Mangoal Dashcam Honda Accord. The Mangoal Dashcam is a custom-designed solution that provides a clean, OEM-style fit for Honda Accord Gen 11 models from 2023 to 2025, including hybrid variants. It installs snugly behind the rearview mirror without messy wires or drilling, and the finish looks like it came directly from the factory. For older Accords, 2008 to 2022, Mangoal offers separate models referenced by ASIN on Amazon, making it easy for all Accord drivers to find a perfect fit. The dashcam records in Ultra HD 2160p at 30 fps, powered by a high-end f/1.8 aperture lens and the Sony IMX335 sensor. The result is sharp, color-accurate footage both day and night, with excellent clarity even in challenging lighting conditions. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, this dashcam works with a free, intuitive app that allows users to preview real-time footage, download important clips, and transfer files to PC or mobile devices. Sharing footage on social media or with friends is simple and convenient. Its loop recording feature ensures continuous coverage by overriding the oldest files when memory is full, while the G sensor automatically detects collisions and locks the footage to prevent accidental deletion. These features work together to provide peace of mind whether you're commuting or parked. While the product doesn't come bundled with a memory card, it supports standard SD cards and delivers smooth file storage and retrieval once installed. Though parking mode isn't mentioned directly, the camera's reliable design and strong core features make it a worthy consideration for everyday drivers. The Mangoal dashcam is a practical, stylish, and highly functional camera system built to meet the needs of Honda Accord owners who want high-quality video recording and an easy-to-install, factory-style unit.
Number 4. GDAKJASD Dashcam Honda Accord. The GDAKJASD Dashcam for Honda Accord offers an innovative mirror-mounted design with dual camera capability and a full touchscreen interface. Unlike traditional dashcams, this model doubles as a rear-view mirror with a streaming media display, providing a much broader and clearer field of view. It captures footage at 2K resolution from the front and 1080p from the rear, with wide 170-degree front and 140-degree rear viewing angles that help eliminate blind spots and improve safety while driving or reversing. WDR imaging and anti-glare lens technology enhance visibility in all lighting conditions, making it suitable for both day and night use. The mirror display is intuitive, responsive, and provides real-time footage that looks much sharper and more expansive than a standard mirror.
Number 5. THINKWARE Dashcam Honda Accord. If you're looking for advanced, premium-level protection and image quality, the THINKWARE U3000 dashcam is a powerful option for your Honda Accord. Featuring 4K front and 2K rear recording, this model uses the latest Sony Starvis 2 sensors, paired with a high-performance Ambarella CPU to produce exceptionally sharp video with minimal noise. Its Super Night Vision 4.0 elevates low-light clarity to new levels, capturing details in dim or nighttime driving that most dashcams miss. Ideal for drivers who want both front and rear coverage with the highest possible quality, the U3000 doesn't disappoint. When motion or impact is detected, it saves a 20-second video clip, capturing the moments before and after the event. This makes it an excellent choice for long-term parking in public areas. With built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, setup is easy via the THINKWARE Link app. The camera pairs with your smartphone for live viewing, playback, settings adjustment, and even impact notifications when you're away from your car using the THINKWARE Connected app. You also receive GPS-powered alerts for speed and red light cameras, adding another layer of safety to your drive.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.